anything I can do, you can do better. You've heard that one before of me. I want to go a little bit deep on that one, because if anything, if you've been watching me and you know my story, which I share with everybody so I can lead by example, is my example shows if you believe in two people, God and yourself, the universe, magic, which is connected to yourself, because we're all one and we're all one thing, and you say thank you to yourself and you say thank you to God and you appreciate yourself, but at the same time you take responsibility for your actions. And your word is your most valuable thing, and you turn up, then you can find time to do beautiful things like jigsaw puzzles, and you can be content wherever you are. And the best thing is you can get better every day. And it's not some mantra, it's not some self-help guru, it's nothing like that, it's just what you can do. It's very, very simple if you stay with the truth. If you stay with the truth for yourself, and everything else, you talk about the truth. The question is, why doesn't everybody do it? Because if everybody did it just like me, we would fucking have no wars, that's for sure.